Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how cheeseburgers are made, step by step.
Buns and produce clear, lot numbers match.
All right, moving the sauce to cold storage bay 3. Every batch is carefully mixed to maintain consistent flavor, texture, and quality.
Every cheeseburger is cooked and assembled with precision for perfect consistency.
Every cheeseburger is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how cheeseburgers are made. From start to finish.